Here is a simple fluency tip that you can use with any sentence strip that you already own. You're just going to take a colored piece of paper and fold and cut so it just fits right in there like that. You're going to reveal the first word, a, and then you're going to reveal the next word. And this is for students who are still decoding like pretty much every word in the sentence. So they're going to decode the word pup, and then you're going to say, let's go back and read what we've read so far. A pup. So our sentence is about a pup. They're going to decode the next word, and then we're going to go back. A pup is, they'll decode the word on. Let's go back. A pup is on a. Now let's decode that last word, and let's put it together. A pup is on a bus. So here's a digital example where the word will be highlighted that you want your students to read so they can decode that word, and then you go back and you're going to reread what you've read. A rat, then you decode this word, and you can reread what you've read, and so on. And then I like this because I chose pictures that were similar. So you're going to choose the picture that matches, and then you can talk about the other one and say, like, orally make a sentence together. Ask your students to make a sentence about the other picture. And you could even ask them, well, what's different?